Welcome to this beautiful New Jersey wedding at the Park Chateau, where you will see behind the scenes, not only of how I photograph an actual wedding, but how I work with a videographer as well. Let's go. Can you do it one more time? Yeah. Actually from there, a little bit closer, and you're gonna walk, try to crisscross when you walk. Okay. And look at me. Okay. You don't have You don't have lip on, Amanda.
These are just before. Yeah.
I'm ready. Okay. Are you just gonna? You can be happy about it.
I see the flowers are going up on the thing. I know.
Finally.
So I need my lip. Is that a good time? Yeah. What's Yes. Victoria.
You're just gonna come sit right here. Take a little turn this way. And then just do the hands on hips again. And then hold your acorn. I love it. Yep, I got you. Like I live for a veil. And then you're gonna look out towards that direction. And towards me a little bit, but still eyes down right there. You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing, Shadow a Pro. Shadow a Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. Now I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire. I'm showing you my family starter list. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow a Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. I hope to see you inside Shadow a Pro. Don't go anywhere yet, Amanda. Can you put that on the other camera really quick? Okay. That veil does not want to stay in her hair.
all the way towards me.
Oh, you're fine.
It's your good side for this one. And then Amanda.
Bar, you did it. You outdid yourself. Oh my God! Awesome! Amazing! Everyone's so great. Thank you guys so much. Right there is good. Right there.
I can actually do this.
And go for a kiss.
Oh, and then
Oh, wow. Perfect. And turn your back towards us even more. Yeah. And then now step close back.
Oh, you're fine.
And then you guys are gonna hold hands and just walk like straight towards them. Okay. Look like left, right. Look over back at me. The other left. There we go.